Master your Samsung voicemail, a guide to customization.
Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of Samsung voicemail settings. If you've been wondering how to customize your greeting messages or adjust notification preferences, then you're in the right place. Let's get started.
How do I access my Samsung voicemail settings?
To begin with, we need to access your voicemail settings. The exact process may vary slightly depending on your Samsung model and the Android version, but generally, here's what you'll do. 1. Open your phone app on your Samsung device. 2. Tap the keypad button at the bottom of the screen. 3. Hold down the 1 key. This will take you to your voicemail service.
How can I change my voicemail greeting?
Changing your voicemail greeting can add a personal touch that your callers will appreciate. Here are the steps to do that. 1. After accessing your voicemail service, as mentioned in Section 1, you'll generally hear a main menu. 2. Listen for the option to change your personal greeting. It can vary, but usually, you'll be prompted to press a specific number to access personal options. 3. Select the option to record a new greeting. Follow the prompts to record, review, and save your message. Pro tip: remember to speak clearly and include all the necessary information like your name and when you'll be able to return the calls.
How do I customize my notification preferences?
Your voicemail notification preferences determine how your phone alerts you about new messages. To customize these, 1. Go to your phone app. 2. Tap the menu, 3 dots, in the top right corner, then select Settings. 3. Scroll down to Voicemail Settings. 4. From here, you can adjust notifications, vibration, and sound settings. Note, again, these instructions may slightly differ depending on the model of your Samsung device and your cellular service provider. And there you have it. You've now learned how to customize your Samsung voicemail settings, including changing your greeting message and adjusting notification preferences. It's your voicemail, so don't hesitate to make it work for you. We hope you found this video helpful. Happy customizing!